So for today, this screencast is explaining what exactly you need to do to complete lesson 15.8, which talks about post-secondary careers. First step, you're obviously watching our video right now. The second step says to access the post-secondary education assignment. Click here to access it. I've already got it up for us, woohoo! So for this assignment, before you even begin it, it is so important to make sure that you know what your major results are from Bridges. So I'm going to show you how to get to that first. You're going to go to bridges.com, and I will also have a link in the lesson for you. You're going to click on your Choices Explorer. You're going to click on Find Interesting Majors with a Checklist. And at the end of your major finder here, you should see your results. So I'll look at my May 21st ones. You can click and see the results now. So from my major finder, it looks like journalism was my top major. So if you click on it, it gives you information on what type of school you need to attend to be in this career when you grow up. So according to mine here, I'm reading through it, I notice in the second paragraph, it says, in the U.S., bachelor's programs in journalism are available at over 410 colleges. Many two-year colleges also offer journalism programs leading to an associate's degree. So based on what I've just read there and what you've just read in your assignment, you're going to find out what type of schooling you need. So for me, I have a choice. I can either attend a 2-year college or a 4-year college. So knowing that, I'm going to go to my post-secondary education assignment and read the directions here. For this activity, you will research the major you have chosen from your results in the Major Finder Quiz in Bridges. We just took a look at that. We found out that my major was journalism and that I could either go to a 2-year or a 4-year college for it. You must research the major you have chosen on Bridges to receive full credit. You cannot choose something different. You have to choose the major you received on Bridges. Please access today's instructional video, which you are already on, for information on how to complete this assignment. The first step is that you will need to access your major finder results on Bridges. Review what Bridges says about the major you have chosen. I just showed you how to do this, and whether or not you need to attend a 2-year, 4-year, or trade school. So again, this is how we do it. You go from home to Find Interesting Majors, and then you'll see your results down here. Click on your results. Journalism was the program I chose, and read there to find your results. So we've done that, and it looks like I can attend a 2-year or a 4-year college. And guys, this next part is very, very, very important to completing this activity correctly. What I need you to do is I need you to choose one of these colleges to look at. You can't choose any college you want because that would just make things too confusing. I've gone ahead and chosen 3 schools with pretty easy to use websites to help you. So if I'm going to attend a 4-year college for journalism, I'm going to go to Penn State. So I'm going to go ahead and open that link for us. So what's happening now is you're going to go through each of the 10 questions and you're going to fill them out according to the results you have. What is the career that you are researching? That is the major. So for me, I would write journalism is the career that I am researching. Moving forward. What is the name of the college, university, or trade school that you can attend? This should be one of the 3 mentioned above. I am going to attend Penn State University. Even if you're not looking at this school in real life, that's how you're going to answer this question. What is the area of study that you will pursue? What is the name of your major or program? Now this might change based on whatever you're studying. For example, if you are going to be a teacher, you are not going to study teaching in college. You're going to study education. So here, my program is pretty similar to my first result, but it might depend on what you're studying. And then it also asks you what kind of program it is. So based on my program here, well, we'll notice it is a bachelor degree. So I will say this program offers a bachelor's degree. And again, I've given you little hints in parentheses here to help you navigate the websites correctly. Please let me know if you get stuck today, guys. I'm always here to help you. Moving forward, what do you need to be admitted to the school? Please examine the admissions section of the website in order to help you here. So, probably need to go to admissions. Let's see what I need. Undergraduate. So from here, I would kind of look through and go to admissions requirements. And here you'll see that if I want a 4-year degree from Penn State, I'm going to need these credits in my classes. I'm going to need a couple other things as well. Sometimes it depends on your testing scores as well. So admissions requirements, we just covered that. First year admissions requirements. And it's all by academic college, so you would kind of go that way to help you out there. So I would answer my question based on what I see there. What are the costs of attending school for 1 year? So to find the costs, you would go to tuition and costs. So Penn State tuition for 1 year for a Pennsylvania resident is going to be $34,598. So there's my answer to that one. I would express it in a complete sentence, and that's if I'm going to University Park. Looks like I might be able to save some money by going to a branch campus, like if I went to Penn State Behrend or Penn State McKeesport. So there are ways to save money that they talk about here. So you're going to answer that question by looking at financial aid. Is there anything you can do to help with costs? You're going to do exactly what I just did. Scroll down. Maybe there's a branch campus you can attend. Maybe there is a scholarship that you qualify for. There are lots of options here. Moving forward, are there services to get if you are struggling with your classes or needing help with your career? So if you're not sure what you're going to major in, or if you're a little confused, student support is probably what's going to help you here. So look at the items they have. It looks like they have academic support, career services. Both CCAC and Pittsburgh Technical Institute, the other two schools, have these opportunities as well. The last two questions ask for activities, which you'd find in the campus life section, and they also ask for online options. A lot of schools, just like our school, are offering online options that make education at home a possibility. So you're going to answer all of these questions to the best of your abilities. Make sure that you're writing in complete sentences, contacting me for help if you need it, and when you're ready, you're going to share the link with me, and you'll be all finished for the day. Again, if you need help at any time, please don't hesitate to call. Good luck!